Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my new English video. In this video, I'm going to tell you that I am sitting under the tree and I am making the videos here. I want to find solace, and this is the right place that I can make videos. Even I can understand that the people are watching my videos when I'm making here. So nice to see you. I'm not getting angry over you guys. You should feel proud that as an Indian that we can speak in English. So as an Indian that I am trying of my level best and I'm trying to solve all the resolutions and all the problems that come across to you. You have spoken to me, sir, we are getting problems in our speaking. So in my advanced booking that I have taken before 2 and 3 days, so I have gone through all the details, but now I'm going to tell you those skills that you can uplift yourself. You can become a public speaker. How can you become a public speaker? That is a nice topic that I have taken today. Before starting, I am talking about myself. My name is Praveen Verma. I'm an educator and I am teaching so many students. I have taught so many students online, offline also. So this is a nice video that you should watch this video till the end. So what I was talking about, the aim of this video is that I was talking about the public speaking, that how can you do that public speaking. It's interesting game for you that you start to speak, so that's a nice game because it works. It sometimes it doesn't work. Most of the people are getting angry, they are annoyed to speak in public because they are frantically minded people and they don't understand about, because they have not read anything in the book. For the public speaking you need to read the papers, newspapers, books, magazines, novels, and every day you need to give practice sessions to yourself. Without giving the practice session you are not going to speak. Public speaking is a nervous minded people game, and it's a sophisticated manner of game. So you have to decide that in which manner that you want to give yourself, in which manner that you want to train your brain. If you want to train your brain for the nervous minded people, so you are not going to speak in public. But if you want to become a sophisticated minded people that you want to speak, so you are on the right platform and you want to learn something. If you're speaking in a public, so what happened that you are getting nervous to speak because you take pauses, and after that you take yeah. So this is the seriousness of the people, that they don't take the public speaking as a game of chance. It's a game of nervousness they take it, but they have taken the spoken English as a taken for granted. I'm talking about that you should take it a very serious, because it's a serious impact of your brain. It was talking about the public speaking, how to change your brain. It was a psychological impact over my brain. So somebody says me that if you're reading the book again and again, so what happened is like that. If you're reading the 600 pages, 700 pages, so what will impact? As far as I am concerned about the reading skills, it will boost your energy, it will boost your knowledge. And after reading the 600, 700 pages, so you are growing the nature of understanding and growing the nature of spoken skills. Because if you're reading that, it what are you doing in reading talks about the collection of knowledge, the knowledge from the book. It gives the output to you, and after output that you are showing in front of the public. And sometimes that you will make mistakes, so don't try to resembles from the mistakes. Don't get out from the mistakes, don't avoid the mistakes make you success. Sometimes that when we are making the grammatical error in our speaking, what happened? We are making pauses, and after taking pauses we are not growing our skill. In English, what you have to do, you have to bring the changes in your brain. And after reading you need to do what? Speak and speak. Practice harder every day. Whatever the time, whatever the day, whatever the place that you need to just speak about every random topic. So it was talking about the public speaking, that we need to understand the pose, the seriousness of us speaking, and understand the nature of the people, that what they want to. If you are speaking fumble, stumbling, and your tendency is not talking about, and they are not understanding about yourself, and what are the topics, what are the level that you want to, and what kind of knowledge that you want to speak, and what want to suggest. So if they are not getting you, so it doesn't mean that they are taking interest in you. So what do I mean by the public speaking, that you take interest in them, even they take interest from you, and they engage in your speaking. They understand each and every part of your spoken English, that you are engaged about that. The public speaking, that you should understand each and every paragraphs. So what do you know about the native speakers? What do they do? How do they become the native speakers? It is a category of that A level, that they want to speak, and they have spoken in English in front of those learners, that even they train the brains of the people of, that they want to understand this. What do the native speaker do? They engage in concise sentences. They make paragraph after paragraph. They make concise sentences, And after sentences, what do? They make understanding of each and every paragraph. If I use the sentence for 100 pages, that I write 100 pages every day, what do? They write 100 pages, and after that they try to vocabularize them. They understand each and every paragraph and they underline them, and they make the sentence. If they take the football, so they make sentence of football in 100 words. If they take the graph, they take 100 words. So in every part that they underline, they make the sentences. So in that what can you do when you are speaking from the public? So take some topic and try to understand about this. The most of the people I used to speak, I used to understand about them, that they said, I don't care about public speaking. Why don't you take care about yourself? If you're talking about yourself in public, so what happened? Nothing happened to you. They are not killing you. They are not the killing birds. They will understand to you, and even you will boost your career. You can make your career in that way. But most of the people are not graving themselves. They are angry. Why are they getting angry to speak in public? That nothing, that it is that somebody have not taken the choices to speak. They have not understood about the game of understanding. It's a game of knowledge. It's a game of public dealing. So if you don't understand about the public dealing, so what happened to you? Nothing. You are not growing yourself. So you need to understand the public speaking is a game of choice. It's a game of seriousness, that you are showing your resemblance of your knowledge. So if you want to stay away from yourself, so how can you do that? So you have to stay out from the house, take care about yourself, make yourself boost. And what do you need to do? Just get out from the comfort zone that you are. You become the luxurious minded student at home. What are you doing? You are watching the videos after videos. You are making yourself unstable every day. So I want to suggest you, be a stable person. Do I was talking to my son, then he was talking about himself. Father, I want to become a cricketer. I want to become a superstar like a Vaibhav Suryavanshi. He was around 15 years of age and he played IPL. He achieved the stardom in his career. So I told him that, bro, that you need to do something. First of all, prepare yourself for cricket. Understand what kind of quality that you possessed. What, because sometimes that we obsessed from the boys, we obsess from the children, that they want to do something and we want to stay them away from them, but they want to do something, so we should understand their quality. So I understood about their quality, that he wanted to become a cricketer. He wants to become a cricketer right now, and I should focus over his game. After holidays of 45 days, that the government holidays, so what happened, that I will, first of all, I will give him the direction to play the game, the cricket game, like we should go. Every Indian are playing this game, but as a professionally, that only 9 to 10% people are making their career in that. But nothing, we are not going to worried about this. As a public speaking and as a becoming cricketer is different, but just I thought about my son, so that's why I add this. Give the kindness to yourself, thank to God, and you took the birth in the right direction, in the right manner. That's why you are not a physically handicapped, you are not mentally afflicted. So you are right. You have two hands, eyes, nose. You are biologically not upset. What I want to suggest you in this paragraph, I want to tell you that you are mentally, physically fit. So why are you getting upset? Talk about them, that they are mentally, physically afflicted. Even they have not talked about the four people. As an Indian, that we suggest by the people, that the four people will speak. What will they do? Nothing. They won't do anything in your life. They will talk against to you. So in a public speaking, take it serious. Be a fluent speaker. To mean to buy them. They have not talked about you as a positive minded people. They won't talk about this. Don't talk about the four people. As an Indian, I don't think about that. What I want to do, just I want to speak. My suggestions go by this video, that I want you to change yourself. I want to recommend the videos, that you should watch my videos, and after watching that you will get confidence and you will make yourself very aggravated students. You are not demolishing your knowledge. You are in that video, whatever I have talked about, take it very serious. Don't judge yourself as a negative minded. Don't judge yourself as a negative person in any manner. So understand that and try to understand yourself. Be a polite student. Watch my video till the end.